Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to change your profile picture on YouTube. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address. Enter your password and click Next. You are logged into your YouTube account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Go to YouTube Studio. In the left sidebar, click on Customization. Go to Branding tab. Under the Picture section, click on Upload. Select the profile picture on your computer and click Open. You may crop the photo if you want. Click Done. Click on Publish. That's it. Changes has been saved. Now go to your channel URL to see how it looks. This is how you can change your profile picture on YouTube. Thank you for watching.